Welcome to our tutorial about the Align tool. Let's begin by creating some geometry. Now I'm going to drop in a circle. And next, let's use the Line tool to create a triangle. Right-click and enter to close the tool. The Align tool is on the Home tab, Modify panel. Let's expand the menu flyout, and here is the Align tool. A left-click activates it. The first thing to do is select the object whose alignment you want to change. I've selected my circle. Right-click to finish the selection. Now let's select the first source point and the first destination point, the second source point, and a second destination point. We can continue selecting points or right-click to finish the selection. Let's choose Yes. AutoCAD is asking me if I want to scale the object based on the alignment points. And I've repositioned my circle inside the square. I've activated the tool again, and this time I'll window select the triangle, right-click to finish the selection. Now select my first source point and my first destination point. Second source point, second destination point. Right-click finishes the selection, and I've opted to scale it. Here are the results. Let's undo and activate the Align command again. Let's select the triangle with a window selection. Right-click to finish the selection. First source point, this corner. First destination point, this corner. Second source point and second destination point. Connected these points in opposite directions. Do I want to scale? Yes. And now my triangle is repositioned in a different way. Now let's learn how to apply the Align tool to an arc. Activate the Align command. Select the arc and right-click to finish the selection. First source point, first destination point. Now the second source and destination points. Do we want to rescale? Yes. And here are the results. Let's undo and activate the Align command again. Select the arc, right-click to finish. First source point, first destination point. Second source and second destination. Scale, yes to scale the arc. And now the arc is repositioned in a different direction. As you can see, the Align command is a fast and powerful tool. This concludes our tutorial about the Align command.